Alright, it's a quick video to show you how to assemble the scooter. It's got 1, 2, 3 main parts and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 smaller parts. This here is one of the most important parts. Don't break this, don't lose this. Now to assemble it, starting with this here. Hold on a minute there. Alright, to assemble it, we're going to use this part here first. This part is going to take on the bottom here, where you see this hole. This clip that I showed you before goes in here. And it works like this. See? That's a clip. Take it out, do like that. Very gently. Just spread it apart very gently. So this is going to go in here. First, we put the fender or the mud guard on. Like that. Then this goes in here. In case this pops out, just bring it back down. It's a guide. That goes in there. Now the clip goes here in this hole. And that keeps this here. Now for the top, this here is going to go in here. Right, to cover this, and this spin knob and this bolt is for this. This goes on next, which is the handle, and on here you can see 1, 2, 3 holes. You could drill another hole at the bottom here if you want, and this is for different heights of the kids. As you put it in, the top one is for the taller kids, then a little lower, and then a little lower. Now, this basket could go either in front here, or it could go in the back here, as you like. And this bolt goes from the opposite side of the basket. So let's say it's here, it'll go through here, this and this. Oh, wait a minute. I'm supposed to put this in first. Yeah. This goes in there, and this goes here, and whatever height you want it for, you just select that whole height. Hang on a minute. Alright, so I had to align it and put it in. And the spin knob goes in here. The bolt goes in from the back. And the spin knob is a spin knob so you can adjust the height easily for the kids. And that's it there. That's the scooter. Alright. So everything assembled. Now I'm going to disassemble it quickly. Just take out the spin knob. Take the bolt out. The top. Everything. This could come out as one. But this separates also. Alright. This comes out. And this clip, remember the clip. Just take this out here. Alright. And the base and the fender. That's it. Alrighty. Thanks, guys.